the Easter Bunny. Let's go. Come on, you guys. Come. He left a trail. Look at Easter Bunny left candy. Oh my goodness. How long does it go for? And outside too? Basket! He left Easter baskets for you? Yeah. Lucy, look!
Easter basket.
An Easter basket? Oh, look at that! Cool. Okay, good idea.
Let's take them inside because I'm freezing.
Okay. Do you want to take yours?
Mommy, look! Shit!
Oh, boy.
It's shit!
You gotta...
No, outside! That's hell! Mommy, I knew I didn't that you would come here.
You did? Lucy! Look! Lucy, do you want your basket? Here, put it in your basket.
Oh, that's a good idea. Put them in your basket, honey.
Mama, I'm bunny?
You got a little bunny?
A bunny rabbit? That's so cute.
Oh, let me see. Oh, it's so cute.
A bunny rabbit.
Yay! If we go back inside, I'll pick up the rest of the candy, okay? You got it? Is it terrific?